Hey, this is Cooling My Jets. Cooling My Jets. Ha! I got it right. First time. Cooling My Jets out here in Gila, Arizona. Got my walking through this area right here. Coming from the main road over there. I walk down the main road, come through here, and head on out down that way. But I heard a woodpecker. Here. So I thought I'd come back and see if I could hear it again and find it. I've been standing here for a few minutes and I haven't heard nothing, so I'm gonna try my zoom over here. There's something going on right there. We got like a, yeah, it turned out to be a pretty good zoom, I guess. That's some kind of drilling rig. That's on the property of SRP. I don't know what they're doing. Anyway. So. Hear those birds? What kind of birds are they? Anyway, hey guys, thumbs up, subscribe, or thumbs down, don't matter. Leave a comment. Have a good day. Yeah, always have a good day. And this is Cooling Your Jets out here in Gilbert, Arizona, signing out. Later, guys.